We will now talk about wiping station maintenance. The print head travels to the wiping station intermittently throughout the printing process, removing excess filament from the print nozzle. The wiping station brushes are considered consumable items and will wear over time. Worn bristles will fail to properly wipe the nozzle on the print head, potentially leading to material jams or other malfunctions. It is recommended that you regularly clean and check the brushes for wear and replace them if you see any wear or print quality issues. Lengthy pieces of extruded material sticking up from the wiping station brushes can get caught in the print head fan, potentially damaging the unit. You can clear any excess filament out of the brushes with a fingertip, knocking the filament down into the wiping station itself. However, a buildup of excess filament in the wiping station container can also lead to jams. You must regularly dispose of accumulated material by dumping the contents of the wiping station into the appropriate waste container. To do so, cool down the machine and lower the print head to reduce the risk of burns during this procedure. To lower the print head, we will navigate to the menu, Manual Control, Lower Print Bed. Next, we will loosen the screws attaching the wiping station to the printer frame. 1 or 2 turns should suffice. Then, simply lift the wiping station from its mounting screws and remove it from the machine. Once we have the wiping station removed from the machine, we can empty the contents into the appropriate waste container and take a closer look at the brushes themselves. The wiping station brushes will wear down asymmetrically, with the bristles closest to the print head wearing down more quickly. When the brush is half worn, like the image shown, it should be turned around in the bracket to make use of the remaining bristles. To accomplish this, we will unscrew and remove the brush bracket from the wiping station using the 2mm hex driver. If the brushes are only half worn, we can turn them around and reinstall them in the bracket. If they are completely worn, we will want to remove them from the bracket and dispose of them, then install the new brushes in the bracket. Once we have either simply turned the brushes around or installed new brushes, the next step is to secure the brush bracket back onto the cleaning station using our 2mm hex key. We will finish up by securely mounting the wiping station and sliding it over the mounting screws. Once in place, we can tighten the screws.